In today's world, artificial intelligence is changing how work gets done, but not in the simple way of machines replacing people. Over the next 5 to 10 years, AI will mainly take over routine, repetitive, and highly standardized tasks, while working alongside humans in roles that depend on judgment, creativity, expertise, and human connection. This video explains how AI reshapes jobs by automating tasks rather than eliminating entire professions. Which types of work are most directly affected? Which roles are more likely to be strengthened by AI? And why clear limits mean humans remain essential across most industries. But before we start, please consider hitting the like button and subscribing to my channel. It only takes a second, and it really helps support my work. Thanks a lot for watching. Let's begin. Most research agrees that AI changes the structure of jobs more than it erases them. By around 2030, roughly a quarter to a third of jobs in advanced economies will fall into occupations with high automation potential. Yet, well over half of all workers are expected to use AI tools for part of their job. In practice, this means fewer roles built entirely around routine tasks, and more roles that blend AI-driven execution with human oversight, judgment, and decision-making. The strongest job losses are expected where work is predictable, rule-based, and easy to digitize. Office support and administrative roles are the clearest example. Tasks such as scheduling, data entry, payroll processing, document preparation, and internal coordination can now be handled by generative AI and automated workflows. As these tools spread, demand for traditional clerical roles declines, making administrative services one of the fastest shrinking employment categories in many advanced economies. Customer service and sales support show a similar pattern. Chatbots, voice assistants, and self-service systems now resolve a large share of routine customer questions, order tracking, and account management. Telemarketing and scripted outbound sales are particularly exposed because conversations follow repeatable patterns that AI learns quickly. While humans remain vital for complex problems and emotionally sensitive situations, overall employment in call centers and sales support is expected to contract as automation absorbs more basic interactions. Routine back-office work in professional fields is also being reshaped. In accounting, finance, law, and human resources, AI increasingly performs bookkeeping, document review, compliance checks, and basic analysis. These tools reduce the need for large numbers of junior, execution-focused roles, while pushing remaining jobs toward advisory work, complex judgment, regulatory interpretation, and direct client interaction rather than pure processing. Retail, food service, and parts of hospitality are seeing steady automation as well. Self-checkout systems, mobile ordering, kiosks, and kitchen automation allow businesses to serve more customers with fewer staff, especially in high-volume, standardized environments like fast food and big-box retail. Employment in these areas is expected to decline modestly overall, even as demand for services continues to grow, with the biggest impact on routine frontline roles. Manufacturing, production, and warehousing continue a longer-running trend toward automation that AI now accelerates. Robots and AI-driven optimization reduce labor needs in routine assembly, food processing, and basic logistics. Even as new technical roles appear in maintenance, systems integration, and oversight. Overall employment in these sectors is likely to keep shrinking gradually, with work shifting toward higher technical skill levels. Transport, postal, and ticketing-related roles are also under pressure as digital systems expand. Postal clerks, ticket agents, and similar positions decline as physical paperwork and in-person transactions move online. Route optimization, advanced driver assistance, and logistics software reduce labor needs in parts of transport and delivery. However, full automation in these areas is expected to unfold more slowly than in purely digital jobs. Across all these industries, the common thread is not total replacement, but task removal. Jobs built almost entirely around routine, repeatable activities face the largest declines, while roles that mix automation with human judgment tend to survive in leaner, restructured forms. In contrast, many roles are being strengthened rather than weakened by AI. Research consistently shows that work involving empathy, creativity, persuasion, originality, and complex decision-making is far more likely to be augmented. Senior software engineers, product managers, and data scientists use AI to draft code and explore analyses, while focusing their own time on system design, trade-offs, and long-term strategy. Healthcare and education follow the same pattern. Doctors, nurses, and allied health professionals rely on AI for diagnostic support, imaging analysis, triage, and documentation. But human clinicians remain central for ethical decisions and patient care. Teachers and trainers use AI for personalization and content creation, while providing motivation, context, and human connection that technology cannot replicate. Creative, managerial, and relationship-driven roles also tend to benefit from AI. Designers, writers, and marketers use AI for ideation and variation, while humans provide taste, coherence, and strategic direction. Managers, consultants, negotiators, and sales professionals continue to rely on trust, organizational judgment, and nuanced communication, areas where AI remains limited. Even with rapid progress, AI faces important structural limits. Systems struggle in situations with limited or biased data, in novel or high-stakes scenarios, and in work requiring physical adaptability in unstructured environments. Legal, ethical, and regulatory requirements also keep humans firmly involved in areas such as medicine, law, public policy, and safety-critical systems. On top of that, real-world adoption depends on cost, trust, and organizational change, which tends to slow how quickly automation spreads. Over the next decade, AI is set to reshape work rather than erase it. The largest job losses concentrate in administrative, customer service, retail, and routine production roles, where tasks are highly standardized and easy to automate. At the same time, many other jobs are becoming more productive and more human, with greater emphasis on judgment, creativity, ethics, and relationships. The defining change is not which jobs exist, but how work is divided between people and machines, and how human skills become more valuable where AI reaches its limits. AI isn't coming, it's already here. So where do you fit in? Leave me a comment, then check out some of my other videos. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you at the next one.